Hi staff, welcome to a little tutorial on how to use EDVAL Daily. This one is specifically designed around how to access the information regarding the parent-teacher interviews that are coming up next week. Previously, you would have received an email from EDVAL giving you a web code. I need you to make sure that you have that web code. If you haven't, you need to come and see me, and you need to type in that web code into this little browser here. And as we work our way through, eventually when we sign in, you will see a page that looks a little bit like this one. Mine's slightly different. Forget all the information at the top. That's because I've got different rights for using the timetable. I will do another little video on how to use EDVAL Daily effectively for staff that are interested in knowing a little bit more. But at this time, the key thing that I want us to be able to do is identify students who are priorities for our parent-teacher interviews. Unfortunately, I can't get Sector and EDVAL to communicate directly the way that we want them to. And so when you identify a student as requiring an interview in Sector for the interim reports, we do have to slightly double hand, and we have to manually enter that also into EDVAL. It's a fairly straightforward process. You click on interviews at the top and you go to my events. I have already created the parent-teacher interview event, and so there you go. You can see that it's Tuesday the 15th of March, and that's between 3 and 6. And what you do is you just click on the box and it says click here to access the event. It takes you straight away to your interview schedule. You can see there's nothing there. This has not been released to the parents at this stage. It is purely open to staff to enter the priority bookings. And what this will do is it will offer all of those priority bookings the opportunity to book slightly earlier than everybody else to guarantee that they get a slot. So we click on priority, and what it will do is it will bring up all of your students in your year 11 and 12 classes, because that's what I've told it to do. If you have lots and lots of students, you can search for them. Alternatively, you can also search according to the class code. So I can click in here and I can put them in order of the class. What I need you to do is tick the priority box for those students who you want to have an interview for. Like I say, this purely makes the parents have the option to be able to book slightly earlier and get ahead of everybody else in an attempt to hopefully guarantee that you will actually get to see them. Once you are happy and you have ticked those boxes, you click save, and that is it. That is your job done. You can then close your browser down. If you've got any questions, please come and see me, and I'll help you out as best I can. Thanks a lot. Bye.